Welcome to James Shee's YouTube channel.
Hey, this is Sick. Yesterday, I just found this tool, Lovart, and I make a game based on it. By making a game, I mean a mobile game. You got solid game design assets, you got an attractive logo, and plus, you can even generate a font based on your favorite. I made the demo video, and I also made all the game assets for our game. And then I just downloaded all the resources from Lovart and gave it away to Fable5, and then you got yourself a mobile game. I was thinking about to publish it on Apple Store. And also the promoted images are also generated by Lovart. If you want to make a game by yourself, make sure you will watch to the end. Okay, let's go. In order to make our game assets, we need a powerful AI tool that can help us to generate images, logos, game assets. It's come to my mind immediately. The name I heard like thousands of the time. That is Lovart. Lovart is a leading AI tool that can help us to generate all kinds of the designs. It is quite famous among designers, and I want to test if Lovart can help us to generate the assets that we require for a game. Okay, let's go. Let's click here, get started for free, and let's log in. So actually, let's build up our brand first. I think the hero image, the logo, is quite critical. So the game is called LumoQuest. Yeah, so my prompt is like I'm building a game called LumoQuest. It is about fishing and adventure. Quite funny and relaxing, so please make a cute logo for it. And before we start it, let's click here, skills. You can top up any great skills of the Lovart, from video to social media to e-commerce, branding, marketing, and studio. And let's choose logo and branding. Okay, let's go. And here you have all kinds of the models that you can pick up. But if you want a specific models, you can click here. For example, like a GPT image 2 or Nano Banana. In fact, you got 3 categories: image, video, and also 3D. Okay, now we are starting to make our logo. Okay, that's so cute, right? Can we make even more? You can click here, select from the canvas, and the style description. This is a very vintage style, right? Let's click here, generate. So let's use this image to generate our font. That's so cool. And actually you can click here to download this. But this is black and white. I need something more 3D, right? So let's click here, quick edit, and type the prompt. And next thing you know, you got yourself a colorful game style logo. And I think we need some fish, right? So what about click here? Let's click run. And now we got this very nice but controllable design. And next, let's use our logo to create a game interface. Alright, let's send. This character is fishing, but I think I need some quick edit. This is just like a very nice concept, because now you not only have the fancy images, but also you got the interactions here. So this is a mobile game. All you need to do is link the hook and the fish. In fact, you can generate many images at one time. And I just made this cute interface where our monster is failed. And meanwhile, we can start a new one. And this is when he catch the fish. And this time, I just selecting all 4 images and type the prompt once at the agent dialog. Okay, let's do multiple tasks. And let's send. Oh my god, we just gave all the prompts to our agent. You got all screens that you want in this canvas. And maybe we can animate it, right? And let's type the prompt, make a video demo for this cute fishing game. Oh, we just generated our first video model. Let's just preview. Adorable! That's so cute. And let's make more. Let's find some screens that are worth to try. Okay, let's generate. Let's try Sea Dance. Oh, and we have this one. Oh my god, I cannot quit Lovart. You should try this. Seriously, man.
This is a really like next generation things. And this is our game demo, and this is our assets. So let's select them all and let's type the prompt. Okay, let's give a second. Now we just generated many images. Okay, since this is our main character, let's make more stories about him. I'm asking Lovart agent to make a character design. Yeah, and with seconds, we have this very detailed storyboard. See, we know Lumo better, right? And this time, let's make a story. Yeah, make 4 images to illustrate the story I will display before the fishing game start. Let's go. And now we have a Princess Luna who was trapped by an Asian course. And the wise turtle revealed the secret only the goldfish can break the course. And this is why our hero began his quest. So we have our background stories. Oh, also we need the Luna's character design, right? Alright, the character design of the Princess Luna is here and it looks really nice. Okay, since we already have everything we needed, and now let's create our game. So first I open the Xcode and I put the product name here. And next, set up the folder. Alright, let's download all the materials that we will need and let's use the cursor to web coding this game. And our app requires app icons. So I generated by Lovart and uploaded here. We already done the coding part. Let's click here archive. And now let's click here distribute and send it to Apple Store Connect. Choose the initial language. Okay, now LumoQuest is officially uploaded to App Store. And going back to Lovart and select our screenshots like this. And let's type our prompt to ask. Okay, let's send. Yeah, now we are generated the screenshots that were required for upload to the App Store. We can download them all together, just select them all, click this button. And you also have option to export as the PSD file so that you can make a faster tweak on Photoshop all by yourself. And I also need a banner for this game to appear in my website. So first, let's select the 2 pages. Yeah, I'm asking specifically for a download button. Let's click send. And before you blink, you get yourself a very nice banner for your website. You can click here to download it again. And you can make a faster edit by using Lovart. So basically, we are generating all stuff from a simple idea. We don't have anything on paper. We only have the name and the idea. And this is enough because you got so powerful tool, Lovart, and then you got everything generated. Tell me it's not crazy.
Hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comment in the comment section. And I will see you on the next one.